games are supposed to be hard. Like movies don't give you challenges. You can say that the challenge is understanding the plot and all of that, but games give you explicit challenges. This is a question that a lot of game designers hate. What is fun? Because fun is extremely hard to define. Most of the textbooks kind of say that, it's a stupid question. Don't ask questions like this. It's not going to help you. The difficult part about fun is how do you bring it out in anything that you design.
I have made like a print, like a template, like we can cut it and play. We have like cards and all online, right? I thought of doing this game similar to that. How should I go upon it?
Whenever I used to come at the end of the loop, it will show like 20 enemies now on the path. And now you have to make a choice. Will I go around the loop and get more money, or will I go around the loop and get killed?
I was thinking about to pursue design, and I stumbled upon design, and I think that I like it.